that animal fat was used as one of the ingredients for the preparation of ghee, which was supplied to Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. It has been certified from their lab that beef tallow and animal fat, that is lard, LARD, these were used, and fish oil was used.
We are very sadly condemning the issue that Jagan Mohan Reddy government wantedly damaging the sentiment of Hindu pilgrims.
That this is an affront to the Hindu religion. This is an affront to not one Hindu, to Hindus who live globally.
Baseless allegations, shocking allegations. All Hindu devotees are hurt because of these comments. We should take back.
The laddu prasad is good quality. I think the ingredients, the ghee, they have changed. So I will thank Chandrababu government and TTD. They should keep it up.
तो जैसे पहले लड्डू लेके जा रहे थे थोड़ा सा टेस्ट में अब की बारी थोड़ा ज़्यादा बेटर लगा, चाहे उसकी स्मेल को लेके कर लो, चाहे वो घी को लेके कर लो, अच्छा लगा.
The animal fat was used as one of the ingredients for the preparation of ghee, which was supplied to Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. The lab reports which we have taken, the test samples which were taken and sent to the National Dairy Development Board in Gujarat. It has been certified from their lab that beef tallow and animal fat, that is lard, LARD, these were used, and fish oil was used in the preparation of ghee, which was supplied to Tirumala, and also the S factor, that is in ghee and milk we have the S value. The S value should be at a standard is only 100. The value which was the S value which has got which is threw up in the test reports is only 19.7 to 19.79, 77 to 79. Our only thing is that this is an affront to the Hindu religion. This is an affront to not one Hindu, to Hindus who live globally, all over the world. A tradition which has been going on for centuries has been broken. And the prasadam which is given to the Lord in 3 times a day, morning, afternoon and night, has been mixed with this ghee. So I'm at loss of words to even, I'm so emotional, I don't know what to say. See, we consider him as a living God for us. And he's the one who blesses us. And the previous government has treated the way the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam has been run, the way it has been swindled, the way it has been looted, the way the traditions have been broken. I think this is the penultimate thing that they could have done. So we only hope that justice will be done and the Lord Govinda will bless us and forgive us for whatever mistakes have been.
बालाजी दर्शन के बाद पिलग्रिम्स वो लड्डू लेते प्रसाद, बालाजी का प्रसाद. वो लड्डू में जगन मोहन रेड्डी का टाइम में 2019 से 2024 तक वो लड्डू का बनाने के लिए प्योर काऊ घी हम यूज़ करते TTD. उसमें डेली 14 tons ऑफ काऊ घी वी आर यूजिंग फॉर मेकिंग लड्डू प्रसादम. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली that was adulterated. We got a report that vegetable oil and animal fat oil was mixed in that. It's a very bad thing happened in Tirumala history. We are very sadly condemning the issue that Jagan Mohan Reddy government wantedly damaging the sentiment of Hindu pilgrims, especially Balaji devotees, and we are filing a complaint against the Jagan Mohan Reddy and that TTD chairman Bhumana Karnaka Reddy and Subba Reddy, and that time executive officer the Dharma Reddy. And right now we are using pure cow ghee for making laddu prasadam.
Yesterday, our Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has commented baseless allegations, shocking allegations, like saying that in TTD, while YCP is in governance, they have damaged the decorum and sanctity of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams, and they have gone to the extent of criticizing and commenting wild comments like, while preparing Somvari prasadams and laddoos, animal fat being used. This is ridiculous. Entire, not only country, entire world, all Hindu devotees are hurt because of these comments. We should take back.
This time, ever since the government of Chandrababu Naidu has changed, there are changes. We came here regularly within year. Every year we come, but this time the laddu prasad is good quality. I think the ingredients, the ghee, they have changed. So I will thank Chandrababu government and TTD. They should keep it up, and they should give good quality laddu to each pilgrim.
वाईएस जगन गवर्नमेंट में पूरा गलती है, वो सबको कैसा मालूम, वो तीर्थ प्रसाद, लेकिन वो दूध नहीं तो प्रसाद देने के मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है। उसको आने के टाइम में क्या हुआ मालूम बोलो तो सब पूरा मिला के गवर्नमेंट तिरुपति टीटी देवस्थान के लिए भक्तों के लिए पूरा गलीज कर दिया। अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है। अभी टीडीपी गवर्नमेंट चंद्रबाबू नायडू आया है, आने के पहले दिन वो लड्डू के लिए स्पेशल दानों के करा, फिर सब दिन अच्छा आदमी कर रहे, लेकिन जो भी करे ना, श्री नमो वेंकटेश्वर स्वामी वाले जब भी उसका क्या बोलते हैं ना, स्मेल टीडीपी लड्डू के लिए घी अच्छा बना, लेकिन वो लाइन पे जाए तो पूरा अल्पाहारम वो भी जो भी देख रहा ना सब अच्छा कर रहे। टीडीपी गवर्नमेंट आने के बाद बहुत मुश्किल है। चंद्रबाबू नायडू तो जिंदाबाद है।
हम जैसे हर साल आते हैं, 4-5 साल से हम आ रहे हैं, तो जैसे पहले लड्डू लेके जा रहे थे, थोड़ा सा टेस्ट में अब की बारी थोड़ा ज़्यादा बेटर लगा। चाहे उसकी स्मेल को लेके कर लो, चाहे वो घी को लेके कर लो, अच्छा लगा। ठीक है, अब गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत अच्छा इधर इंतजाम भी कर दिया है, लड्डू का भी प्रसाद बहुत आराम से मिल रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।